Looking for the best cordless backpack leaf blower that packs serious power? Today, we're featuring a rapid review of the Worx Nitro 80v model. This blower delivers an impressive 800 CFM of air volume and speeds of up to 150 miles per hour, making it ideal for heavy-duty yard work and lawn cleanup. And when the job demands extra power, turbo mode gives you an added boost, effortlessly moving through piles of leaves and debris. The Basecamp charging system can charge all 4 batteries simultaneously and is compatible with other Worx tools. A huge plus if you're already invested in the Worx ecosystem. Now there are a few things to consider before purchasing. While the backpack design is lightweight for its class, it may feel a bit heavy during extended use, especially if you're clearing large areas. At full turbo speed you'll get about 15 to 20 minutes of runtime. So, for tougher jobs clearing wet leaves and debris, you'll want to have extra batteries on hand. Or plan for charging breaks. The good news is on the low setting, you can get up to 230 minutes of runtime. The blower's powerful motor and fan boost the noise level to 83 decibels, slightly higher than other cordless models. While this isn't as loud as gas-powered blowers, which can exceed 100 decibels, it's still advisable to wear hearing protection during extended use. Overall, if you're handling regular yard maintenance or even small commercial jobs, the Worx Nitro 80v model delivers power and convenience, topping our list of best cordless backpack leaf blowers. Full specs and pricing are in this video's description. Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Be sure to subscribe for more outdoor tech guide reviews, and as always, thanks for watching.